I'm going to show in this video how to do addition with mixed numbers having fractions with like denominators. You can also use this video to do addition of mixed numbers having fractions with unlike denominators. It's the same, except of course the problem is different. So I'm going to do this one with like denominators. So you go to the mathematics topics, click on mathematics addition of fractions and mixed numbers including estimation methods. And then you'll click on Add Mixed Numbers Having Fractions with Like Denominators. That'll bring up the primary instructions. Read those and click on Show Assessment Instructions. Read the assessment instructions and then click on Start Assessment. So this is your first problem. You're going to put your cursor in the whole number field and then you're going to do your addition. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then you hit the tab button to go up to your numerator. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then you're going to click on the tab key again to go down to the denominator, and that's going to be 17. It tells you to provide the sum as a mixed number in its simplest form. That is the simplest form, so it's 6 and 4 over 17, 4/17. So you're going to do the second problem, and you'll put it's the same place, and it's going to be 3 plus 2, that's 5. And then you hit your tab button, and then you're going to add 6 plus 9 for your numerator, and that's going to be 15. And then you're going to click the tab button again, press the tab button, and that's going to be 16 on your denominator. So your answers are 6 and 4/17 and 5 and 15/16. So to see if you have gotten the correct answer, you click on Score and Present Feedback. It says that both of these are correct. You got the check mark and the boxes beside it. So you can also do this with unlike denominators, but of course, like I said earlier, this is for the like denominators. So in order to bring up the next problem, you will click on Present Next Feedback. Thank you.